What's the meaning of atrociously? Atrociously. Atrociously.
Atrociously. Atrociously. Atrociously is an adverb that means in a shockingly bad or unpleasant manner. Something done atrociously is done extremely poorly, and the result is usually very unsatisfactory and sometimes even harmful. For example, if a surgeon performs a surgery atrociously, it may result in severe complications or even death for the patient. If a musician plays an instrument atrociously, it may result in a painful listening experience for the audience. In short, anything that is done atrociously is done in a way that is highly unacceptable and likely to cause negative consequences.